These are the top 5 people you should avoid at all costs, and make sure to watch until the end because the last one is the one you should avoid the most. The first person is the one that gossips about everyone behind their back. You know this type of person, they're the ones that's always judging other people and always pointing out their flaws and mistakes. You should avoid them because they have absolutely no loyalty at all, and being near them will destroy your reputation and mental space. So the second you are no longer in the room with that person, they are probably gossiping about you and your flaws to other people. So you can never ever trust this type of person. And here's the harsh truth. It doesn't matter if you think that that person is loyal to you. In the real world, if people always see you hanging out with a toxic gossiper, they will automatically assume that you are exactly like them. Your reputation will take a hit just by association, even if you are the most pure-hearted guy in the world. Not only will this person make your social image worse, they will bring unnecessary drama into your life. So instead of hanging out with the people that only gossip, you should stick closer to people who discuss about their goals, ideas, hobbies, and cut off all the unnecessary drama and watch your social life improve. The second person you should avoid is the person that only talks to you when they need you. Now, you may not have talked with this person for months, and out of nowhere they send a quick text to you asking for money or to do them a favor. They do not care about what goes on in your personal life, and they will keep you around as long as they can benefit from you in some way possible. And the worst part is that when you ask them for help again, they disappear faster than a dad getting milk. They may make up some random excuse about how they are busy with their work. So the next time they ask a favor from you, the best thing to do is that you deny them or you don't reply at all. Now, I'm not telling you that you should not help anyone at all. Like, if someone asks help from you and they always return the favor, then that type of person is good-hearted. But your life is too precious and too short to be used as a stepping tool by people who exploit your kindness to get something out of you. So learn to say no and make sure you don't go out of your way just to help these kind of people who will exploit you. And thirdly, is the secretly jealous friend. These are the types of people that pretend that they are on your side but are secretly preying on your downfall. You can always spot them by how they handle your good news and your achievements. So let's say you get a promotion at work. A real friend will be hyped and proud of you. But this type of person, they will say something like, "Oh, I didn't expect you will be able to get promoted," or some kind of backhanded compliment. Now, some real friends may do it too just to joke around and tease you, but this type of person, they will do it all the time. And you probably can sense if a compliment is insincere. So the next time, you should just trust your gut. If someone feels like they are giving you an insincere backhanded compliment, just keep note of it. This type of person will also try to one-up you in front of other people just to put you down. So make sure that you do not associate yourself and waste your energy on these types of people. Now, fourthly, you have to cut off the person that does not care about your boundaries. So this guy would treat a no as a challenge. They will guilt trip you into doing what they want you to do and absolutely not care about how you feel. They might say an insulting joke towards you, and when you tell them to stop because you don't like it, they will mock you for being too sensitive, and they will shift the blame on you and make you feel bad about having some self-respect. And the worst thing is that this type of person, it could also be from your relatives or family members. So if someone keeps physically touching you, gets too nosy about your private life, and just makes you feel uncomfortable, trust your gut and cut off this person who does not respect your boundaries. Because if you don't, this person will take advantage of the fact that there are no consequences when your boundaries get crossed. And lastly, the fifth one, you should avoid the person who judge you for trying out new things. So let's say that you start a YouTube channel, but this guy, he will just think it's cringe and he will demotivate you from going further. Or if you're into reading, this guy will just yap about how reading books is too nerdy and it's an antisocial behavior. Anything you enjoy doing, this person will find a way to make you feel bad about doing the things that you enjoy. When someone judges you for trying new things, it's not the hobby that's the problem. It's actually them. That person probably is too afraid to try new things and step out of their comfort zone, so they have to project their insecurities on you. Now, everyone may find some certain hobbies weird, but there's a difference between a friend that doesn't share your hobbies and an idiot who shames you for doing the things that make you happy. So if you don't cut off this person, they are going to limit your potential, and you cannot be the person who you want to become. But I want to see you succeed and step out of your comfort zone. If you want to improve your life and take it to the next level, I have linked some videos that you should go watch after this video. So that is it for today's video, and do not let these people decide what you do in your life. And if you have any experiences or advice, please let me know in the comments down below. And let's grow our community to become stronger